I was scrolling through my phone late at night. A notification chimed. My doorbell camera had just recorded. The screen flickered to life. Darkness swallowed the porch. A faint glow from the street lamp barely cut the black. Then a shape stepped into view. It was a figure, gaunt and slow. Its coat rustled like dry leaves. The camera tilted, catching a pair of glowing eyes. They stared straight at the lens. My breath caught. A low whisper slipped through the speaker. It seemed to come from the hallway behind the door. The figure raised a hand, fingers trembling. A key turned in the lock silently. The door swung open on its own. A cold wind rushed in, shaking the porch light. Shadows danced across the empty steps. The figure stepped forward, but its face remained hidden. Its mouth opened, but no sound emerged. Only darkness filled the frame. Then the camera blinked, static flooding the screen. The feed froze on a single, static-filled second. And then a pale hand clawed at the lens, scraping the glass. My heart pounded as the sound crackled. The hand lingered inches from the camera, and the darkness beyond the door. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.